From it being a little windy, what a perfect day for graduation ceremonies, Mike.
Yeah, because something else that's pretty big going on this weekend. It's Mom's Day tomorrow.
Absolutely.
So happy Mom's Day to all the moms out there. And, I wish I could say it's going to be quite as nice as it was today, but I'd be lying if I did that. But, it could be a whole lot worse, too. Let's take a look at radar out for we're in Doppler right now. High and dry across the 8 western New York counties and down into the northern tier counties of PA. We're looking good out there right now, at least to begin this Saturday evening. As we head you up to the northwest here, a little bit of insignificant shower activity working across the province of Ontario, but that seems to be weakening as I speak. And I think it's going to be quite some time before we can get any rain from the clouds all the way down to the ground. That's not going to happen until later tonight and only probably across northern areas. As we head you up to NT, Canal Side, and pretty tranquil. You can see the sun has faded now. The clouds taking over in that direction, and that's going to be par for the course, at least for the evening hours. A lot of clouds out there, at least in the satellite picture, but as we look back to the west here, these are the showers we're going to be keeping an eye on, because eventually, if any of this holds together, and it looks like it's in the weakening phase right now, we may catch a few of those getting here into western New York, at least later tonight. Probably mainly across northern areas. Well, let's check it out now on the Super Microcast and zooming right into western New York, and we get the clouds moving into town, at least initially this evening. Eventually later tonight, the computer tries to spit out a few insignificant, very light rain showers. Notice how this stuff is very spotty in nature, though. This by no means is going to be widespread rain coming down across the area. So if you're heading off to church, maybe bright and early tomorrow morning at 8 a.m., you might catch a few raindrops coming down at that time. As we work our way into the afternoon, though, we're looking at more rain, at least down here to the south, at least more showers. They'll still be scattered in nature, but maybe a little bit more numerous than the morning activity across northern areas. This will be found mainly across the southern tier to the northern tier counties of PA. More rain showers lingering down here to the southeast of the city, at least for the overnight tomorrow night. The activity up to the north is going to wind out pretty quickly tomorrow evening. And even on Monday, the computer is suggesting we still may have some rain across the area. There's a little disagreement, actually, between some of the short-range computer models as to what's going to happen on Monday. So this is kind of a low-confidence forecast. I think it's going to be drier across the Niagara frontier. I'm calling for clouds, maybe some limited sun, just a chance of a shower, but a little bit of a greater chance, at least, of those showers, at least in areas to the south and east of the city. We should be able to fine-tune that at least over the next day or so. Checking the neighborhoods tonight up on the island. You're checking in at 70 degrees at Grand Island right now. Village of Williamsville down through Lancaster and West Seneca at 71. Breeze off the lake. It's keeping the harbor temperature down to 55 at the Coast Guard station right now. Even at Hamburg, you're at 71 degrees at the high school. Once again, cooling along the waterfront down there. Sturgeon Point with 62 and a 68 further inland at Colden, where we checked in on the webcam early in the show. 71 right now from the falls for the Willenda walk up there, where he's practicing. 67 degrees at Dunkirk, 66 at Jamestown. You folks in Allegheny County, 73 only at 72, and a 73 over the border at Bradford, PA. Let's check the winds right now across the area. Picking up still at 20 miles per hour at Niagara Falls and 12 here at Buffalo. Here's your forecast details now as we get into tonight. Clouds thickening up this evening. Chance of a shower late. Northern areas down to 50 to 53 degrees, about 45 degrees along the PA line. For the boaters this evening, southwest winds on Erie. They should actually be about 15 to 25 knots, but they will be settling down, becoming variable overnight. And waves about a foot or less on Ontario. Southwest 5 to 15, becoming west at 10, and wave heights there 1 to 2 feet. Tomorrow, mostly cloudy, few showers. More showers to the south of the city during the afternoon, 63 to 67. Tomorrow night, evening showers ending northern areas, but lingering to the southeast, 45 to 50. And on Monday, clouds, maybe some limited sun northern areas. It's a chance of a shower, but more showers southeast again. We'll top off around 70 up north, 63 down to the south. And still a chance of a few isolated showers Tuesday afternoon, and a greater chance of maybe even some thunderstorms Wednesday afternoon. I'll have more details on that coming up in the next half hour. Back to you, Lou.